What up, weebs? Today we're going to take an early look at the Naruto Shippuden Crocs. So these should be dropping at the end of the month. There was a shock drop to get these early, but if you don't have a pair yet, I'll put pre-order links down below. This is the Naruto version. Keep in mind there's also a Kakashi version coming out. There are rumors that there are Sasuke, Jiraiya, and Minato versions coming out as well.
This isn't the first anime collab either. I reviewed these Demon Slayer Crocs right here on the channel.
Let's get into it.
So these guys do light up, keep that in mind. You're not going to be wearing them on a stealth mission or anything. Naruto Shippuden on the tag. Now keep in mind this is the big kids version. There might be some differences in the adult versions. A little more branding there. And these did retail for $55. Alright, let's set it off with the left shoe, or clog I guess. You got the black mid right there. And the signature Naruto orange. Looks a little dark actually. See, the plastic here is black. And this has got to be painted over black. And yeah, you can see in the holes here that there is black on the inside. And hopefully that holds up. And right away you can see the hidden leaf forehead protector. That's a nice chromed out metal. This band here has got some texture to it. That's cool, some shading there. So this is the black one that he wears in Shippuden. That is a cool detail. I'd love to see that. It's super shiny. The orange paint on the upper here is kind of sus, especially around the bottom. Oh, and the outsole is actually a shade of gray. It's lighter than the mid. Alright, moving the strap real quick, we look at the insole, and that's a nice cushy Crocs clog insole. Naruto Shippuden logo right there as well. Back to sport mode. Got the Crocs logo on this side. The Uzumaki symbol on this side that they wear in the hidden leaf. The strap is actually really nice. It's like a nylon material and it's really bright compared to the upper of the shoe. Orange and black signature right there. So of course you can wear them regular mode. But I mean, how are you gonna Naruto run in those? Gotta have him in sport mode. Alright, looking at the Jibbitz now. So this is a shuriken, orange middle, and it actually, you can't remove it. It's glued on. It actually sits in the middle of some of the holes here. It's not through a hole. Here is Naruto and the ramen. Those are glued on as well. You guys can see there's some glue lines right there. It's just sloppy glue, and it actually looks like there's some of that packing paper on there stuck as well. That's just some sloppy QC, quality control. Otherwise, in hand, it feels pretty good. Like, I'll give them that. Do me a favor and sub if you're a weeb so you don't miss any more anime unboxings. Right side. Same kind of deal, you have the orange on black. And you can kind of see the black come through. Strap feels alright though. And I wonder if this metal chrome will take fingerprints. Yo. For the not Jibbitz, you have some kunai here with the orange outline. You see the glue and the black under it. Yeah, more of the black outline from the shoe underneath. Alright, Naruto doing the shadow clone jutsu. That one is stuck on as well. The shading is really nice. I'll give them that. Finally, you have the Nine Tails Kurama in chibi mode. And that is actually what lights up. Check that out. And I mean, we'll see this in the on foot right away. Yeah, that's just, it doesn't work every time. You kind of have to give it a pretty good step, just like the Lightning McQueens. Onto the on foot. So shout out to Wifey for modeling these for us. There's no way I could get these on. Size 4. So she normally wears a 6.5 in women's, and that's about a 5 in big kids. We thought you'd have to size down, but I would say go true to size because these were a little tight, especially with the socks on. You can wear them like this as well if they are a little tight, but obviously we like sport mode. If you are a fan of the Naruto series, you have to at least check these out. There are other styles coming as well. Like, I know I'm gonna try to get those Kakashis, those look pretty fire, but the Itachis look fire as well. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. If you like this content, make sure you drop a like below. Watch this video next and sub if you're a weeb. Peace.